for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, power windows, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, power driver's seat, front reading lamps, convenience package. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.